In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Sheet in Notion. We'll start inside Notion, on the page where you want your Google Sheet to appear. Go ahead and open that page now. This could be a dashboard, a project page, or a simple notes page where you'd like to display data from sheets. Next, click into the body of the page so your cursor is active. We're going to prepare a spot for the embed by typing a command. In Notion, type // then the word embed. You'll see Notion show an option called Embed in the menu that appears. This is what we'll use in a moment, but first we need the link to the Google Sheet. Now switch over to your browser and open Google Sheets. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account and open the spreadsheet you want to embed. Once the sheet is open, we'll adjust its sharing settings to make sure Notion can display it. In the top right of Google Sheets, click the Share button. A sharing window will appear. Here, look for the section that controls link access. Change it so that it's set to anyone with the link. This doesn't make your sheet publicly searchable. It just means that anyone who has that URL, including Notion, can load it. You can also choose whether people with the link are viewers, commenters, or editors. For embedding in Notion, viewer is usually the safest choice, so nobody accidentally edits the data from the embedded view. After you've set it to anyone with the link, click Save or Done in that sharing window. Then, in the same window, find the button that says Copy Link and click it. This copies the spreadsheet's URL to your clipboard. Now head back to your Notion page. With your cursor where you want the sheet to appear, type I embed if you haven't already, and select the Embed option from the menu. A small box will pop up asking for a link. Paste the Google Sheets link you just copied into that field. Click the button to embed or embed link, and Notion will create a live view-only window of your Google Sheet right inside the page. You can drag the corners to resize it so more of the sheet is visible. Any changes you make in Google Sheets will update in real time in this embedded view. And if you ever need to edit the sheet directly, just click the title or open link on the embed to jump back to Google Sheets in a new tab.